It's Dr Rick back again with another update of our COVID vaccination programme in our local area of Tameside and Glossop. So today we've got the support of the Queen. The Queen was on air yesterday giving support to the COVID vaccination programme across the whole country. And now we know that the Queen and Prince Philip have both now completed their 2 doses of the vaccination. Also, we're told that the Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall have had their first doses. And also Sophie, the Countess of Wessex, is a volunteer at the vaccination centre in south-west London. These sorts of news items are really important because they inspire and create vaccine confidence. Vaccine confidence is an expression that's being used more and more in the NHS, and it means how much the population feel a vaccine is safe and want to have it done. So when important people, such as the royal family, come forward and say they're confident, it also makes other people confident as well. Now, locally across Tameside and Glossop, we've started to notice a disparity between who gets vaccinated and who isn't. And we've noticed that the Asian and black communities and also people living in the poorest areas are the slowest to uptake the vaccine. There are many reasons for this. And as a GP working locally, I've heard patients say they just don't trust it, they believe some of the conspiracy theories about the vaccine, or they're just scared. But also, there's a large group of people who find life really difficult, and maybe they are so busy they don't find time to have the vaccination. They may not have phones and so don't receive messages from the NHS, or they are so overwhelmed with anxiety and depression that they don't open their mail. Whatever the reasons, people need our sympathy. And it's up to the NHS and social care services to try and make the vaccine as easily accessible as possible for the vast number of people. One outcome we definitely want to avoid around Tameside and Glossop is having small pockets of people, maybe from different communities, who have declined to have the vaccination and who may be at risk in the future of outbreaks. And that's the main reason why our NHS services repeatedly ask people about their vaccination choices. We do, of course, accept that no is a no, and there's no hint of mandating a vaccination, but we also recognise that people change their minds. So it's okay to ask people more than once. And research does show that some people who initially start from a position of never wanting the vaccination do change their minds. And when community leaders, or indeed national leaders, such as our royal family, become involved, this can be very influential. And every single person in Tameside and Glossop who has so far received their jab can play a part in creating vaccine confidence by telling your friends and relatives how easy it is and how good the clinics are and also how the vaccine has made you feel. We're all in this together, and it's really important to be confident in our vaccine.